Hello guys, Subesh this side. Welcome to NoobToWeb. So this is our very first video of the channel. So here we're gonna learn about Firebase and how to host a website, rather a web page, free into the website. And it's totally free and easy, and it's a Google tool provided by Google. So let's see. So in order to host a website, we need to first create one. So we need to create a folder first, and we need to create a web page. I'm not making a whole website as such. For the sake of video, I will show you. I'm making just a web page for a sample, and we will then do it. Index.html, style.css, in case of any css. This is a sample. We will just write something for a page. This is a test video. This is a text. Ignore this everything because I'm just showing you for a sample thing, because the main part is the process of hosting it to Firebase, so that it is live and everyone with a domain can see it. And irrespective of the content it has, in future if you make any proper website like e-commerce or a product based website, the process will be similar. The only thing changes is the content here. Here solely I'm taking index and css, or you can also take javascript. If you build complex websites, it will be there. So this is a test website, so we're gonna add some css also. I give a edit. Let's give some styling to it. Okay, one, maybe a background color. This will be good. Text decoration, maybe a line. This is a basic css. I have set it for this line h1 tag. This contains which is the test video, and let's save this and let's see. So this is something it generates. Okay. Okay, sorry, we need to link the style sheet. Link style sheet href. Yes, that should be good now. Yes, okay. So this is basically, ignore this. Basically, this is a test sample I'm going to, like I'm showing for this particular video. So this is a website that we're gonna host through Firebase, and it will generate a domain and everyone can look into it. So here it is complete. We will now open a browser and just simply search Firebase into it. Go to the first link. This is the web page that I'm gonna load. Go to the console option here in the top right corner. Click on it. Choose your Google account. That's done. So you can see there's a already previous one I've done. So just create a new project here. Name the project anything, like for example Subesh test one, maybe. Continue. Here you can enable it, but in particular case we don't need it. If you create complex website like e-commerce website, or you need to track the traffic or how much cache being loaded, then Google Analytics will be needed. For now we will be disabling it. We don't need it now. Let it load. That will take a couple of seconds. This is now finished. We will click on continue. See, so this type of web page will be loaded. Here there are multiple features. There is option for iOS, Android and web app. This is Unity and the Flutter also. And there are multiple services that Firebase offers, like authentication, storage, hosting. We don't need that. So at the top left, this menu, come to build, and under that come to hosting. Be careful, don't click app hosting, but because it is for iOS or Android or web apps. If you code on Swift or Flutter, then this will be needed. But in particular case, we will be hosting website. So click on the hosting, click on the get started option simply here. Oh, okay. So now open your command prompt in your PC, open, and just copy paste this code into here. It will take couple of minutes and it will be installed. Meanwhile, for this particular case, we don't have JavaScript here, but in future, mostly for every website, we will be using JavaScript. So it is recommended to you take this fetch feature. Otherwise, after deploying the website, it will be much more difficult to use this. So previously, you can take this feature. Yeah, it's done now. So for now, we don't need authentication and monitoring, so we're not doing it. Let's do it nowadays. Next, so these are the two options. So now what we will do, go to the VS Code or the code editor you are working on. Go to new terminal, or you can do it these steps in your command prompt also if you're not using a code editor. In the directory which where files are there, like for me in the first folder this is, so this is the directory I have in. So come to the directory and paste these commands, copy these commands from here. Firebase login first. So here you have to enter your email from which you have created your account in the Firebase itself. After that, there will be a link generated and it will redirect to the browser and you have to log in, like you log in into Facebook or Insta, like that. After that, you will see already logged in as this is my email address, and come to copy this, paste it again. Now this will make a project. I don't want to proceed. Why? Yes. Now carefully see there are multiple options. As we need to host a web page or website, we will with the arrow keys down come here and come to the hosting option and select space button and enter. I have an existing project, yes, enter. This is two of my projects. So first one is the previous one I was checking, and this is the Subesh test one was the now that I built. Press enter. Yeah, we want to use a public directory, enter. No, because the website you are making is a multi-page website. For now, I have a single page, but when we will be making website with like proper website, there will be multiple pages. So it's no. We don't have GitHub now, so no. Okay. Firebase is initialized. Now what we'll do, go to next. Wait, second, first close it here. Name it for example Subesh test NoobToWeb. Register and continue. Yeah. So we don't have a JavaScript here or a JavaScript SDK here or a Webpack here, or I'm not using npm, so I will be not using this. I will instead select use script tag because we have HTML CSS. Copy this particular code, open in your HTML index file, and in the body tag, like for me has a single code, but if you are coding in a much proper website, complex website, there will be multiple code here in the body. At the last, just before the body tag, paste the code, full code, and save it. This contains all the confidential things. Okay, go to next. Copy this. In your terminal, paste it and press enter. Make sure you have saved the file. the index file. See, it is uploading and it's done. Just open this link. I will copy here and open here. See, this is the web page we have hosted. But see, I should be seeing this that I made, but it's not showing. That's the reason is that we have selected the public option, like it is in the public directory. So these two folders you are saying 404.html and index.html. Now this is our main web page folder. So basically this is our web page that it is showing. Okay, so we need to replace it with the files that we have made. So just copy our HTML code and paste it into the HTML of public folder, and you can delete this. There is no use. Also we have a CSS folder and it is out of the public folder. See, it is not in the public folder and it will not work. So copy it into the public folder. So our two main files, index.html and style.css, are both in the public folder, and this is a error. You can have it or not, you can delete it, doesn't matter. So it is ready now. Now once we have to deploy once again, because previously our both files are out of the public folder, so it will not render in the website. So we will do Firebase deploy again. It will change the files, and now if we reload it, see, you can see it. Let's go. We have done this. Like, it is the web page that we have made, and this is a domain that Firebase has generated to us. You can send it and open anywhere in the HTTPS and it will open this site. Also continue to the console. So this is the pretty much how we upload it, and here in the particular dashboard, the number of times we will upload or deploy or change our code, the details will be shown here, the time and date, and you can also roll back to it. For example, I have currently this, and by mistake I have deployed something that I don't need now. So I will go to rollback and the previous web page will come in, and these are the two domains that are here now. You can open in any of them, and if you have a custom domain bot, you can add it through here. And again, I will make another video on it, because you have to handle DNS and name servers in order to add a custom domain. I will add it in another video. Okay guys, this was much about this video. Next video we'll be talking mostly about cPanel hosting or WordPress hosting, or how to host a WordPress website using cPanel hosting. So see ya. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.